In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Inkscape to make a free barcode called a QR code, and it links your code right to a website. It's very easy to do. What you're going to do is open up Inkscape, and in a blank sheet here, I'm going to go up to Extensions, Render Barcode QR Code. Now you've got a few different options. I'm going to go to this QR code right here. I'm going to get this QR code little form that I need to fill out. And what you really need to worry about is right here at the top. That's the website that you want to plunk in to have the QR code go to. You can just leave everything else exactly as is. And I'm going to click apply, and it's now going to generate the QR code. From there, I'll click close, and you'll see the QR code is right here. And as you can see there, with my phone, it instantly picks up the QR code and it wants to route to the destination website, which is inkscape.org. And you can make that website whatever you like. So if you've got a restaurant or a business, go for it. QR code, free, easy. Hope you found this helpful. Here's another video where you can have some fun using Inkscape.